This is a demonstration video for how to register for your next year's classes using Canvas. Please take out your iPad at this time and follow along. Go to the Rosemount High School website at rhs.district196.org. When you come to this website, you're going to notice that there are two different ways to log in to our specific registration homepage. One way is the scrolling banner that you see at the top here. When you see that banner come up, there will be a button over here that says Learn More. When that is the one that comes up, you simply click Learn More, and you will see the registration website open. The second way to find the registration website is to click the menu, then click the plus sign by families, and then scroll down until you see registration information. Simply click that, and that will open the same window. The years and dates may or may not match on this video, as we may be using this registration video in future years. Please scroll down, until you see the big red letters, students entering 10th, 11th, or 12th grade. Please click Registration Documents and Materials. Please then click Grade 10, 11, and 12 Registration and Elective Worksheets. You may already have these worksheets and have been working from them. We're going to click the 12th grade. If you have it, take it out, use it at this time to help you with registration. If you don't have these worksheets, it's a good idea to open them up so you have course titles and numbers to enter into the Canvas system. So 12th grade registration worksheet looks like this, and the 12th grade elective worksheet. Okay, you're going to want both of those. Now, coming back to the 12th grade registration worksheet, I'd like to talk with you a little bit about your options as a 12th grader before we look at exactly how to enter those classes into Canvas for next year. As a 12th grader, you will be required to take English. You will see at the very top here that there are three different options for English. There are two full year advanced English courses, and there are trimester Englishes, which are our on-level Englishes for 12th grade. You have likely spoken with an English teacher and gotten some recommendations about what would be good for you. So just make sure that when we go to enter in the course into Canvas, you're using the right course number for your particular English you're choosing. If you are doing on-level English, you will have one trimester of English 12, and then you will get to choose your other two English selectives. And I'll show you that on the elective worksheet in a little bit. Okay. For social studies, there are three advanced placement options in 12th grade. AP Economics and AP Psychology are full year courses. AP Government is a 2-trimester course, and all seniors take economics. If you're taking on-level social studies as a senior, you will take the 1 trimester of economics and then choose 2 social selective courses. So very similar to what we were looking at in English. Developmental Psychology is a 2-credit full year English class that has an application and interview process. So only register for that course if you have gone through that process and have been selected to take that class. Science and math are not requirements for graduation if you already have 3 full years or 9 credits of each. However, many colleges do require a 4th year of science or math or both. And any student who is looking at going into college after high school should strongly consider taking both subjects to be prepared for their college curriculum. At the bottom of the page, it is showing spaces for your elective courses. This is your opportunity to fill in classes that you really want to take or haven't had the chance to take yet in high school. One thing that I want to make sure that you keep in mind is whether you've met your full PE requirements. Sometimes seniors still have a Phi-Ed credit left to grab. If so, that would fill in one of these trimesters for you. At the bottom, these are alternate. You can see there's an alternate for PE. If you are a student who still needs that PE credit, choose one up here and then choose an alternate just in case that one you selected isn't working in your schedule. Okay, and then these two alternate slots are for trimester electives. All right, now let's talk about how to put courses into campus. If you go back to that registration homepage that we were looking at before and scroll up to the middle of the page where you find this green Infinite Campus button, it is important that you register following this link and not on the app on your iPad. So please click this link. Okay, you're going to come to a screen that looks like that. Click Campus Student, all right, and then go ahead and log in. When you log in, you will be taken to a screen that looks like this. Okay. If you have the menu bar here, great. If not, just click these bars at the top to get the menu bar. Click Academic Plan. On this screen, please do not touch the drop-down buttons and simply click. Okay, so once you get on this page, please focus on the grade 12 column. Do not worry about these red numbers at the top. They don't matter. This is where you are going to now start to use that other worksheet I had you pull up, which is the elective worksheet. This is where you are going to find all of your course numbers that you will be adding in to campus to register for 12th grade. So we have, again, on here, there are course numbers listed for the core courses, but nothing for electives and nothing for those senior selectives for English and social studies. But on the elective sheet, you will see in the middle here, senior English selectives. The trimester English options are listed out right there for you, as well as when we get down to social studies, senior social studies selectives are also listed here for you. In addition, the rest of your electives are all laid out by department. So if you are taking a full year elective, please remember to register for trimester 1, trimester 2, trimester 3, so the A, the B, and the C. If you are taking a trimester elective, then you would just put in the one number. So coming back to this sheet, let's go ahead and put in English. So we are going to do English 12 because all seniors are going to take English 12 if they are taking on-level English. If they're taking the full year Englishes below, they would not take English 12. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and put in that course number. You're going to want to use the search the course catalog at the top. 0375 is English 12. It will come up. You simply click it, and then you click Add to Grade 12, and you will notice that under the English subject area, English 12 is now there. So if we're taking on-level Englishes, this is where we're going to pick our 2 English selectives as well to make sure we have a full year of English. So if we come back to that elective worksheet, right in the middle here, it shows the selectives. So for the purpose of this demonstration, the student would choose 2 of them, enter them in. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pick Comparative Mythology 0361 and Contemporary Literature 0362. So we come back over here at the top, 0361, add to grade 12, 0632, 0362, Contemporary Literature, add to grade 12. All right, now we have 3 trimesters of English filled in. All right, basically you're going to do that for every subject that you're taking and your electives, you're going to use the course bar at the top. You're going to click the Add to Grade 12 and you're going to enter it. I do want to show you Social Studies just as a reminder under the Social Studies tab. We do want to make sure that you are taking economics because all seniors are required to take econ. So if we come back over here to Social Studies, economics is 1077. Now I'm going to type in 1077. Okay. And add to grade 12. Now, if I'm doing on-level social studies, I'm going to do 2 more trimesters of my choice in that selective area. The selectives, again, are down here under senior social studies. And there's things like world politics and humanities, psychology, sociology, that are trimester courses that you can pick from to be those other 2 selectives. If you are taking a full year AP Psych, AP Econ, please remember that you still need to fit in your economics as well, that it is required for all seniors. So that would mean a full year plus an economics course in one of your elective spaces. All right. On that note, you would go ahead and just continue to fill everything in. At the bottom, you're going to notice that there is a place for alternates. So this is where you can put in your alternate English and those kinds of things. What you would do, I'm just going to take this one out so I can show you, 0359. So this would be for an alternate for English if I didn't get, for some reason, one of those first 2 selectives didn't work in my schedule. This time, instead of add to grade 12, you're simply going to put add to grade 12 alternates, and it fills in down here. Once you have 15 to 21 credits filled in, okay, all seniors have to take a minimum of 15. Up to 21 is a full load of 7 classes per try. You're going to want to make sure to click the Save button. When you click Save, please click the blue OK. Ignore the words in there, just simply click OK. This allows you to save the work you've done, to exit, to be able to come in and work on it again. The window for registration is open for you to fill in your classes. Please reach out to your counselor if you have any questions. And thank you so much for following along today.